Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can remove or deactivate a team member from your account on or in the Retool application. So let us guide you through this. So guys, as you can see, I'm inside that app editor here, app builder. You will need to navigate back to the home section of your Retool account here. What you want to do is click into your profile icon in the top right, select settings. Here inside your settings, what you want to do is navigate to user management to the left, click into users, and here you will see the list of all users. So as you can see, I'm the only one currently for that example account here. So for the given user, if you'd like to, or team member, if you'd like to remove the given one, hover your mouse over that area here to the right next to the name and click into disable user. Now, of course, you can do this only as the owner or admin of the given team. And yeah, since this account has admin rights or permissions, I can disable this user, which would be removing my own account. So I'm not going to do this, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.